Hi, welcome to the March edition of Your Schools. I am Carrie Brinsden, and I am thrilled to be sitting next to our fabulous superintendent of Humble ISD, Dr. Guy Sconzo. Hi, Guy.
Carrie, hi.
How you been?
Doing good, doing good. I'm glad you are by my side.
Well, I appreciate you having me here. Can you believe we're already in March?
Oh, I know. My God, this school year is
2015, I know. Before we know it, it's going to be ending another school year.
That's right. We'll be looking ahead to graduations pretty soon.
I know,
Gosh.
I know. Don't remind me. Don't remind me. But folks, we have got a great show for you today. Actually, we've got some wonderful events that are coming up in our district that all of the community can participate in. We've got our elementary science fairs coming up, our Fine Arts Festival, which is just fabulous, a free event that's open to our community that we're going to discuss.
Awesome event.
We've got the gala with our Education Foundation that's going to take place.
You know, Carrie, I hadn't thought of it, but this is really like the event show.
It is the event show.
Big things are coming up.
At least in March, it's the event show to talk about things that are happening in our district. But we really want to share those with you, our viewers, so stay tuned, and we really think you're going to enjoy our show.
Well, thanks for staying with us. And Carrie, you know, a program that has really taken off, really at all levels, elementary, middle, and high school, is robotics. And it has everything to do with truly the future needs for expertise in math, science, engineering, and technology. And we have been very, very proud and very, very fortunate in Humble ISD to have a robotics team at the high school level. Atomisbots. And we'll try to, I was going to say we'd explain it to you, but we're going to learn about it from the experts in just a second. But this robotics team has been in place for a couple of years now, and honestly has taken every competition they've entered. So most recently, they placed first in the Remix Robotics competition, which means in just a very few weeks they'll be competing at the regional level, and then we have every expectation they're going to move on to world competition. So with us...
No pressure.
That's right. That's right. Well, they've been there. They've done that.
That's right.
But we're really thrilled to have William Lofton, and William is a senior at Kingwood High School.
Yep. And
Nicholas McHenry, and Nicholas, you're a senior at Kingwood Park High School.
Yes.
Really, members of the team come from just about all of the high schools,
Yes.
Which is really kind of cool. So, first question, and I'll toss it to either of you, but now, how did you ever come up with the name Atomisbots?
The name Atomisbots is something that when we were researching names our first year, we came across something. Atomis is something Greek, which is unconquerable.
Okay.
So we put it together with bots, unconquerable bots, and first gave us the number 4589, and that's assigned to every team. So.
See now, William, that makes all the sense in the world to me. That's really very cool. And Nicholas, you guys have, you're really co-founders of the team. I mean, you've been on it since day one. So I'd be curious, Nicholas, from your perspective, 2 years experience now, different competitions and so forth, pretty much the same team members. How have you seen the team grow since that first time you guys met?
Well, not only numbers have increased, but just experience level. We've all gotten used to each other. We've all become friends. We've all learned what it takes to build a better robot, and it just made it all the much more fun.
Cool.
Okay, so how many people are on your team?
Right now, around 15 or 16.
Okay, so pretty good numbers. Now, I'm a novice at this, so William, explain to me, how does a robotic competition work?
The competitions are set up, they're staggered Thursday, Friday, Saturday usually. Thursday's a practice day. Every team has to go through their inspection, make sure their robot meets the required weight, required size, make sure there's no things like sharp edges or anything like that, nothing dangerous on the robot. After that, once you're through inspection, the robot, all the teams will go through their practice matches on Thursday. after that, on Friday and Saturdays, the real matches begin. Those are the qualifying matches. That's where teams get ranked. And then once you go through qualifying matches on Saturday, the second half of that day, you will go through your playoff rounds to determine who's the winner of that regional.
Okay, so are you having your robots do specific tasks, or what? Yeah, explain to me what tasks the robot is given.
The tasks are, they vary each year.
Okay.
The game changes. Some years it's been a basketball type game. Some years we've had shoot frisbees or climb a pyramid.
So your robot actually has to shoot a basket or throw a frisbee.
Wheels, a frisbee out
so
there.
do you know that before going in, or is it surprise, you're here?
January 3rd of this year, we actually got to learn our competition. So the first day of build season was when we found out our competition.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So there's no heads up at all. I mean, they have fun with us and give us little hints and just see us scramble.
Teasers.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
But then they just drop it all on us at one time, and so then we pick it up and say, this is what we're doing.
So you're, from that point, you're designing, you're constructing, you're programming. I mean, and I do know, I'll disclose to everybody, I do know you all meet literally every day.
Wow.
To do all of that.
Yeah, we meet almost every day that we can. We have Sundays off and all that just for respects, but then there's some days here or there where we don't have enough teachers to occupy the building, but it's almost every day.
Now, do you guys meet at the Kate Center?
At the Kate Center, down in Humble.
Okay.
Boy, that's amazing. So what's this year's problem or
This
competition?
year's problem is called Recycle Rush, and we're actually picking up totes off the ground, trash cans, and then there's actually pool noodles, which we're calling litter, and we're actually putting them inside the trash cans and stacking them all up. And we're trying to score as many points as possible by stacking them up and moving around. It's a lot of fun.
Very neat. So Guy had mentioned you guys are responsible for the build, the programming. Do you have outside resources that you can consult, or is it just all on you?
Yeah, we've have companies that will actually, we had a owner of a company help us out with engineering side. He actually made us contact with a man named Brandon Bell, and he's our main programming mentor. We'll call him up and he helps us out with anything. And it's a lot of fun. And we've met people from all types of companies, and it's helped us out.
Well, yeah, it's networking already.
That's right. That's right. And you guys have been extraordinarily successful. I mean, it just amazing because, I mean, you really are an infant team. You're only 2 years old, and to accomplish as much as you have and to earn the honors have earned over that short period of time is amazing. So first I want to congratulate you too. They're waving us on, but I want to ask both of you just kind of one last question. William, I'll start with you, and Nicholas, then I'd like to hear from you. So what's ahead? I mean, I'm going to have the pleasure of handing you your diploma in a few months. So what's ahead after you get your diploma?
After I get my diploma, looking to, I would like to go to, looking 2 years at Lone Star, and then like to transfer over. I'm looking at Embry-Riddle or Texas A&M.
Awesome. That's right. An Aggie.
2 Aggies.
Nicholas.
Well, I'm actually going to be going straight out of high school into college with UT Arlington.
Great.
Planning to get a dual major in mechanical and aerospace engineering.
Oh, very cool. Very cool.
Wonderful. Well, congratulations to both of you for winning this competition, and obviously we're anxious to hear how regionals you'll come out here at the Georgia Brown, correct, here in Houston. So that's nice. It's in your own backyard. And as Guy said earlier, world competition after that.
Hopefully.
No pressure, but only first place for you guys. Thank you both, and congratulations.
Yes.
And you stay with us. Carrie and I will be right back.